obsessing over this. I don't know what I'm saying. Satin is my favorite word when it comes to makeup because it's not matte, it's not like dewy, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear the crap out of you. Okay, cute. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited to be unboxing the Unearthly Cosmetics mystery box. This is the mystery box that they came out with for fall, Halloween. I'm not sure, like this is totally Halloween vibes to me. I think it's Halloween. Honestly, Unearthly Cosmetics is literally one of my favorite indie brands. Their whole aesthetic is totally my vibe. I love the artwork on their, like everything, to be honest, on their packaging and everything. So I'm really excited to open these up. Honestly, I have been avoiding my favorite creators that review indie brands like the plague, and it sucks because I want to watch their takes on this, like what they think about it and whatever, because I haven't unboxed mine even though it's been here since, like, it's been here for a few days. So I am really excited to open this up and see what's in here, and I'm actually going to play with some of what comes in there because that's just so much fun. But I'm gonna be doing a Halloween look. I'm doing 31 days of Halloween over on Instagram. If you want to follow me there, I'll have my links down below and like right on the screen. So yeah, if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe. I love indie brands, I love makeup, and this is just like the place to be if you love makeup like I do. And yeah, let's get into it. So unfortunately, you can't get this mystery box anymore. It was available for pre-order back in September. Like I honestly don't even remember when I bought this. It was $100, and everything in this box is exclusive to the box, and I find that so cool because it's just like so limited edition. Like it gives you like it gives you the hype factor. Like you really have to have it because it's not going to be available ever again. I like it and I don't like it. Like there's pros and cons about that because I feel bad unboxing this for those of you that didn't get it because it's like, you know, but whatever. I'm gonna play with probably a few things that come in here today and let you know the quality. If you got this, if you're interested in knowing my opinion, or if you are just interested in the brand in general, you can pick up anything from their site. Like I'm not affiliated with them at all. I would love to be, but I'm not. But yeah, I'll just tell you how I feel about the quality. I have only tried one other Unearthly Cosmetics palette, and it was before the rebrand, so it's Alien Cosmetics. It's like the eyeshadow palette from last year that came out around this time. Their vibe, I'm telling you, is totally my vibe, especially around this time of year. I love the artwork on their packaging. I love that palette. I love the color story, so I had to have it, and I love it a lot. I love the quality. The mattes were really, really impressive. But I love me a good mystery box, so I had to get this one. It's a great way to try things from the brand that you haven't tried before. I mean, in this case, you're like, no one's ever gonna try these again. Like, you can't just buy these separately, so whatever. It is what it is. Anyway, I love the packaging it comes in. It looks like a PR box, to be honest. You open it like this, and then let's see what's in here. I haven't even taken a peek. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so from what I can see, we've got 3 pressed pigment palettes, eyeshadow and pressed pigment palettes, a highlighter palette, and then some lippies. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna just like go one by one. I did do my base makeup, but I didn't do like a ton in case there was stuff in here. Like, I don't know, I've never tried anything but an eyeshadow palette, so I'm so excited. Okay, this is the Thirst eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. This is what the artwork looks like. I'm obsessed with the artwork. They always partner with, you know, an artist, and I think that's amazing. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. I think maybe I can use a combo. I love that they're the same artwork is on the actual palette. Oh my gosh, these are huge pans. These are huge pans. I love that she does the huge pans, but at the same time, I'm like, I'm never going to use that entire eyeshadow. You know what I mean? This is totally Halloween vibes. Okay, I'm going to leave this out, and I'll do some swatches at the end and decide what direction I'm going to go in for eyeshadow. Because like I said, I am doing a Halloween look after this, and I'm doing like a spider eyeliner type thing, like a really easy Halloween look in case you're not wanting to recreate something crazy like I do, like my body paints. The next one I have here is Creepy Crawly. And this is what it looks like. So what I like about this mystery box is everyone's getting the same exact thing, so nobody's gonna be like, oh, I wanted that and you didn't give that to me but you gave it to her. But love the artwork, so fun. I've always wanted to do a look like this, but I'm not sure I can make eyes look real. Yep, exactly what I thought. So it seems like whatever colors kind of here is kind of the color story you're gonna get in the palette, so I love that idea. I can't wait to swatch this. It looks so pretty. It's kind of like a multi-chrome. I wonder what the value of these are individually. I'm sure the value, I mean, let me double check on the site. Hold on. It's valued at 130. So you're getting, you know, $30 more than what you paid for. I just love how sturdy their packaging is too. And then the last eyeshadow palette, well, this actually says it's a pressed pigment palette. Completely pressed pigment. So I assume purple vibes. Love the artwork. Obsessed. So I'm just going to read from the site a little bit. All 7 items in this box are exclusive to this launch, like I said. This will not contain any past or currently available items. So again, yeah, it's kind of like yes and no. I'm also kind of sad that it's sold out, so you can't really get this anymore. So this is what it looks like. Freaking love purples. Freaking love purples. Okay, now, serious question, guys. Would you have preferred to get a big palette with all these colors in it? Because I think I would have. Having these individual, I mean, like, yeah, if I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm feeling a purple look today, let me go for this palette, you know what I mean? Great. But most of the time I'm like, no, I want like a giant palette with a lot of options. That's just me though. I'm crazy. All right, let's take out the highlighter palette. Something exactly like this but in palette form I would have loved, but like, you know, like longer, whatever. Like a 12 pan eyeshadow palette like they did for like last year's launch, although I'm pretty sure this year their Halloween launch or their fall launch, whatever you want to call it, they came out with a bunch of mini palettes as well, but not 4 pans, I don't think. Ooh, I can't wait to see what this looks like. I love it. Oh my god, look at how pretty. So you get orange, green, and purple to match the palettes. I think I'm gonna go for purple vibes today. I'm just feeling like the Spider Queen has to be purple, right? Okay. Do I want to swatch this now? Yeah, okay, let's swatch it now. Let's go ahead and swatch it. So this is, oh, so they match like the names of the palettes too. So this is Thirst. And honestly, yeah, that's a little dark for a lot of skin tones, but I think once you blend it out, like, I don't care. I'm gonna put this highlighter everywhere anyway. Like, I literally, look, blending it out, beautiful. It gives you that beautiful shine without the crazy amounts of glitter or anything. Love it. Then we've got Creepy Crawly, which is more green. Obviously, these are like, you know, an acquired taste. This one, it seems to have a little bit more glitter particles, but not much. And I don't mind it. Look, it's very subtle. Once you blend it out, oh my gosh, this one might be the most neutral because you can kind of blend it out and it looks almost gold. The last one is Chillin'. Yep, I'm definitely going for this one today. This one seems to have some glitter too. The first one, not so much. It just looks like a shimmer, but I love the, it's like purple to blue reflect. Super pretty. Obsessing over this. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, and then we have 3 lippies. I'm hoping. Let's just take them all out. I'm hoping that all 3 of these match with what they are. Let's go ahead and open Savage. Oh, this has a different name. It's called the Satin Liquid Lipstick, by the way. So I like satin. Satin is my favorite word when it comes to makeup because it's not matte. It's not like dewy, I guess. Or in this case, glossy, I guess. Let's go ahead and see. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's black. Okay, that was shocking. That was shocking, but I'm happy because I actually wanted to wear a black lip for the look I was going to do today. Okay, where do I swatch this? Let's see if I could swatch with my left hand. Frick yes. I mean, I have some good black liquid lips, but come on. I can't wait to try this formula like on my lips. Let's open Ghoulish. Ghoulish. Oh gosh, it's gonna be a surprise again, right? It is green. I'm so excited. It is green. I have never owned a green liquid lip. Yeah, that's a lie. I used to own a lot of Jeffree Cosmetics, so. Oh my gosh, there's totally a time and place for this. I'm obsessed with dark vampy lips. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear the crap out of you. Okay, and then the last one is called Wicked. Please be purple. Please be purple. I would have loved an orange one. Yes, it's purple. I was gonna do black, but this is purple. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, cute. Honestly, so far, I'm really liking the formula. I know I'm just swatching them. Honestly, a swatch doesn't tell you much, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. Let's go ahead and apply the purple highlighter because I already know that purple is the direction I'm going to go in. I love the pattern in here, the marble. Oh, so pretty. I will say, if you're not a fan of like glittery highlighters, you're not going to love this. I do think they have quite a bit of glitter. Okay, hold on. Let me lower the brightness a little so you can kind of see. Yeah, that's better. That's really pretty though. You see that shine, that sparkle? Oh, I love it. I will say I think I went overboard on this side. Let me blend it out with the sponge maybe. I love it. I'm obsessed. All right, let's swatch the palettes, like all of them. I'm going to start with this one, the Thirst palette, the orangey. I might mix and match because why not? This is like what we're here for, I guess. Okay, I'm going to roll my sleeves up. We're going to take Bloodline, Lethal, Dread, and Baddie. I will say I'm never as impressed with their shimmers. Oh my gosh, but their mattes are something else. It's like they're more of the hard formula, like they remind me of the Be Perfect formula. Oh, that shimmer is nice. They're like hard mattes, but super pigmented. I don't know. They're not like the Blend Bunny that are really, really soft mattes. I don't know if that makes any sense. The shimmers, okay, here's my like thing with the shimmers. I like a good crumbly shimmer. This is really hard pressed, so it's not like super crumbly and like metallic and foiled. It's almost to me like a satiny, like with glitter type thing. I don't know, but that's a nice color story. Again, I don't know, I just wish you did one big palette, honestly, but it is what it is. I wonder if it would have been more cost effective as well to do a like one big palette instead of getting components for each. I don't know. I could be wrong. I have no idea what it's like to manufacture makeup. So, okay, let's swatch the Creepy Crawly. Let me tell you, that lime is delicious. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Squirm, Toxin, Squirm, Spun, and Scream. Toxic, Squirm, Spun. Oh, Spun is like so freaking gorgeous. I think it's more of a topper, honestly, though. And Scream. I love greens so much, but today is just not a green vibe, in my opinion. I love it. I love it. And I love that the lips complement. So like if you want to do the orange look, you can just take the black and it like complements. And then yeah, I'm obsessed. I love it. I don't know, guys. I'm just feeling this purple vibe today. So I was going to mix and match and like do like something fun. But I honestly can't even think of anything that I could do to like mix and match. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay, we've got Morbid, Possess. Again, I love the matte. It's so freaking pigmented. Prey, and Abyss. Gorgeous. I love this color right there. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have so much fun. Okay. Those are not the best swatches. It's probably user error though. Promise you. Yep. Definitely feeling the purple vibes. I'm going to go ahead and do like the entire Halloween look and it'll just be what you see on the thumbnail anyway. So you're going to see some spider webs coming out of my face, etc. So I'm going to start off with Abyss. And a really fluffy brush. Wait a minute. I have to prime my lids. Hello. Okay. Lids are primed. Let's go ahead and take this. Ooh, very pigmented. Honestly, I wasn't going to do like a crazy amount of eye makeup for this look. But YOLO, I think it'll look cute with the little spiderweb liner situation. So we're going to take this all over the crease. Okay. That blended out into nothing. I think the brush is still a little wet from when I was spot cleaning it. How annoying. There you go. Much better. I'm also just gonna brush this on the lower lash line while I'm at it. Let's deepen it out with Possess. I love this shade. It's so pretty. And let's also take this on the lower lash line. I love the concoction of purples that I just happened to make there. Let's take Morbid on the lower lash line as well. I love purples. Okay. And then on the lid, of course, we're going to take Prey, which is this one. Let's take a setting spray, though. Brush is sprayed. Yeah, I remember these are just better. Ooh. Wow, that's pretty. With your finger, though, I think, yeah. I think it might be better with a finger. Definitely. It's definitely got a purple to blue shift. It's so pretty. I'm just curious. I'm going to take this over top, like this shade. Yeah, I think it's like, it's almost a translucent kind of topper. I mean, I don't mind this because I was really going for something a little more minimal for today, but honestly, it's a little like the base of it is really translucent. So I'm thinking like it's more of like a topper type shade, but I'm not mad at this at all. Let me just do some blending over here. Like, wow, super pretty. Love the sparkle. Definitely gonna get my use out of this palette for sure. And to finish off the eyes, let's take a little bit of the highlighter in the inner corner. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love that each palette has 3 mattes and a shimmer. I think that's the perfect ratio in my opinion. Wow, I love it. Totally just tried to wipe these swatches off, and that tells you the staying power. Let's go ahead and just try this liquid lip. I'm so excited. So this is the shade Wicked. Perfect name for this, honestly. I wish I had a purple lip liner, but I don't. I like the applicator. I think the flat paddle applicator is perfect. Okay, I can't talk. This is the perfect purple. It's super opaque. I do quite wish I had a purple lip liner, but this is super perfect. It's like opaque and like, I don't know, but like, yeah, the outer lines are a little hard. Not drying at all yet. I don't know. I'll tell you in a bit. I'm gonna go do the rest of this look and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look that I came up with for my Halloween look. I'm obsessed with how the purple tied into everything. Okay, I'm seriously loving this. I love the quality of these little palettes. Now, I kind of did the math while I was like finishing my look, right? And if you do the math, everything costs about $20 a piece, like 20, 40, 60, the highlighter palette, 80, these 3 lipsticks, between the 3 of them, 100. So that's what you paid for, although the value is 130. So maybe bring that up a little bit and you get your, you know, your value, right? Maybe these are $10 a piece. I'm not really sure how much her liquid lips go for normally, 10, 20, 30, you know, 50, 70, 90, and then 40 for the highlighter palette. I don't know. I think it's a great value. $100, you get to, you know, you get a bunch of new makeup. You get 3 liquid lipsticks, 3 palettes, and a highlighter palette. I think that's amazing. I'm obsessed with how everything looks. The purples are so pretty, and I actually think they're super unique in my collection, and I cannot wait to try the other 2 palettes as well. I'm like super excited. All in all, I would purchase the mystery box again. I would prefer though that she does the mystery box with already existing items. For those of us that haven't really tried the brand as much as we would like to, and would like to like showcase stuff that they actually have in stock, you know what I mean? So now that I'm getting this video out, like I'm not even sure, like you can't get this stuff, so it's like, what's the point? But I will say the quality is there. I like the quality of Unearthly Cosmetics. If you haven't tried them and you're looking for a new indie brand to try, I love supporting small businesses, and I think that they're great quality. Liquid lip is like super nice. Would definitely try more liquid lips from her line. Palettes for sure, like the same quality that I know, which is only out of 1 palette, but still the mattes are amazing. Shimmers are not entirely my favorite formula, but they're still really, really pretty. Like, love them. Love them, love them, love them. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't even have room here for this big box. That's funny. I don't know. Hello, open. I forgot the other names.